Today we're gonna make these healthy and refreshing snacks, peach and raspberry popsicles. And for a fun twist, I've added some spicy tequila for the adults. To get started on making our peach and raspberry popsicles, we're gonna start with 1 cup of raspberries. I have that measured out right here. And then peaches. We're gonna take our peaches, and we're gonna peel them and dice them up. This is an easy recipe for you to make. It's refreshing. This is great for your kids, adults, and it's a great way to use any fruits that you have in your house. These happen to be, peaches are in season, so I thought we would make peach popsicles today. So we'll take this, and we're gonna cut our peaches. So we've cut up our peaches, and we're gonna use our bullet here. Put our peaches and our raspberries. And now we're gonna add a little lemon juice. So we'll squeeze some lemon juice in there. Next, we're gonna do honey, about 1/4 cup of honey for sweetness, and some water. I'm gonna add that right to this. That's it. Close this up. Now we've blended all of that together. Now we're ready to make our popsicles. So we have little popsicle holders here. Oh, that smells amazing. I'm gonna pour them in. And we're gonna put these right in the freezer. Now that we put the popsicles in the freezer, those popsicles are for the kids. So now let's make adult popsicles. So now we still have our mixture, we have some left over, and I'm gonna use my favorite spicy tequila. I'm gonna add some of that right to the mixture. Stir that in. And now I'm gonna make some adult popsicles. I love entertaining, and when people come over, I always wanna make sure I have good items for the adults and for the kids. You gotta think about all your guests, right? So make sure you label these, the adult ones separate than the kid ones. I did different colors, so that way it helps me remember. We're gonna put these right in the freezer. So these are our spicy tequila popsicles, and the kids have their peach and raspberry popsicles. These are going right in the freezer. So I've taken our popsicles out of the freezer. I have kids and adult versions. So here we go, our healthy popsicles. They look awesome. So these are our mango raspberry popsicles, healthy, refreshing. Kids will love them. You can serve them just like this. And then for our adults, we have some with tequila. So I would slice some limes down. You can smell the tequila. Spicy tequila, yummy. I'd put these down like this and serve these to your guests. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram for entertaining tips, and check out my Amazon store for my favorite products.